Today, I am discussing the future by telling you what you must do now since no one can change the outcome. First, make the strategic decision to become a free spirit. Then, by accepting to be helped, you will eventually experience freedom. The foundation for a new order started long ago and is unstoppable. We were the first to tell you that markets would crash and that our planet is about to undergo epic changes. What have you done about these facts? So, I bring you Alex Vieira, born with no assets, never worked for anyone, but with a brain like you. A free spirit who has chosen to create his principles, helping many like you to succeed. Our lives are ruled by mathematics and physics, not men's rules. Failure to comprehend this undeniable fact is like challenging Mother Nature. For centuries, people have believed they can change the future. So, regardless of your convictions and beliefs, the result of the equation will remain immutable. Refusing mathematics and physics is challenging the universal equation. Alex Vieira has accepted the truth. People like us who believe in physics know that the distinction between past, present, and future is only a persistent illusion. Are you ready to accept it?
So I'm going to change now to a daily chart. Okay? And the daily chart, so the trade alert, for example, I made public and you can see, on the chart, for example, in the article, precisely near the $41, okay? Which is normal because you entered a situation of climax. Okay? Notice that it does not matter in the end if it was going $30 or 20 or 15 or 50 or whatever, it does not matter. What matters is that you entered a steep decline, a climax selling, a crash, and now then the share price, it is, as you can see it here, the share price is there is a substantial difference now between the current price versus the downtrend, okay? You understand? So here it is the downtrend. So the reasoning here is a bit the opposite, is that now, for example, you are not going to open a short position at $40, friends, because although even if it could continue moving lower, there is a risk. While before you had the competitive advantage because you had this as no upside or limited upside. After the collapse, you shall not open your short positions. On the contrary, you have to manage your existing trailing stops without the need to think on a long-term basis how much or where the bottom is going to be, because you don't know. It does not matter. Okay? So we reduce the short position. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. This is for also small investors. Reduce near the 41. And then what is the next step, you ask? And the next step is simple. Like I said, and that is the reason we already addressed this matter before. You are now prepared for the summer. You have to expect you have the profits or a significant percentage in the bank. You no longer need to have the same percentage of short positions as before. Okay? So if you had the maximum exposure, you reduce it. Okay? And now you wait to see what is going to happen. For example, small investors, you can wait what the company is going to report, but you have to comprehend that this will continue rather volatile. Okay? So going forward, the other thing that you can do, I'm going to leave here some lines, is whether this line remains as support. Okay? So do not short near this line, this blue line. Okay? Near the blue line you shall not short the stock even if it goes lower.